Introducing the Operation DX robot, Yugo. Packed with an array of features designed to streamline tasks and alleviate human workload. Among its features, these are the four most distinct: Flow, Map Patrol, Pose Editor, Elevator Floor Movement. First, we have Flow, a seamless system that automates on-site operations effortlessly. With a user-friendly interface that requires no coding, anyone can easily set up Yugo to handle tasks autonomously. Next, is the Map Patrol function, allowing Yugo to navigate its surroundings autonomously. Its navigation route can be intuitively configured using both your computer and Yugo itself. Then, we have the Pose Editor, a tool enabling users to customize Yugo's arm configurations with ease. By registering various poses, Yugo can adapt its stance at any given moment. Lastly, we introduce Elevator Floor Movement, a feature that allows Yugo to operate elevators and move between floors. Since you can patrol multiple floors with only one Yugo robot, Operation DX can be achieved at a reduced cost.